Yeah, so FBM, fulfillment by merchant. I already defined this. What is FBM? That you will be fulfilling your own orders. So with FBM, the seller lists the product on Amazon and handles storage and all aspect of order fulfillment. Amazon merchant is responsible for that himself. And how does FBM work? As a seller, you will set up an Amazon account, create your product listing and store, pack and ship the products as customer order them on Amazon. You will take responsibility for any late, missing or damaged arrivals. So everything will be on your own responsibility, so you will have to take care a lot. Anyway, I will never prefer to do FBM, even if I have a slightly higher margins in FBM, but I will just prefer FBA because it's so easy, so comfortable. You don't need to get worried about fulfilling the orders and sending them to the customers and dealing them. It's a really big hassle. So, and as well, like we are living somewhere far away from the customers, so it's really difficult to manage the orders from somewhere else, the country else where the customer has placed the order. Anyway, so pros and cons of FBM. We should be discussing the advantages of FBM as well. And what are the advantages? That you have hands-on fulfillment. You take care of all the fulfillment, like it's inside your hand. Everything, you check the product, you inspect them, and when you send it, so you can check it that it's not in a damaged condition and nothing is missing there. So everything is in front of you. You can manage it easily and check and inspect everything is going well. And opportunity for Prime is also there, but there are specific limitations for FBM seller to be eligible for Prime, and fewer Amazon fees. You do not have to pay FBA fee, which are charged by Amazon when you are using their service of FBA. So that gives you a little bit margin, like slightly higher margins. But on the same hand, there are cons, more responsibility. Everyone wishes to have like no responsibility and everything should be done automatically. So here you have to get worried about the orders and fulfilling them. So not automatically Prime eligible as well. Every FBM service is not Prime eligible, but there are specific terms, conditions and limitations. After that, someone can get eligible for Prime. And overhead costs, potentially lower conversion. Most of the buyers that visit Amazon, they prefer to buy from a customer or from a seller which is doing FBA as compared to FBM. So they love to buy and purchase from an FBA seller as compared to FBM. So that potentially lower conversion for FBM sellers is noted. And elusive buy box. FBM seller are not given the buy box as much like FBA seller. That's a big topic we will be discussing in the next lessons, that what is buy box and what is like the myth behind that, who can take and win the buy box, and why the FBM sellers are not that much preferred by Amazon. Amazon do not let them take the buy box from the FBA sellers in most cases. So these were the pros and cons